Hey, get up. Hazen, get up. Oh, never mind. It's okay.
Bam! I fucking know, man. Holy shit, I got sniped from the back, dude.
Oh, late, shit, there's one in airplane.
Damn, I spawned late, bro. That's fucked up.
Hey, he's laying down to the airplane, pushing out. Thank you, third. And the Chamor doesn't want to tell us where he died, bro. We're sick.
Oh yeah, this fucking blunderbuss still killer.
What the fuck is that?
Holy shit.
That's the Chicky's hammer.
Do you change your name again, bro? I didn't realize I was you. Fucking
Hey,
Chuukies.
there's no more Chuuki's
fuck
hammer,
up.
bro. Only Chuuki's hammer
Fuck
is from
Chuuki's,
the
bro.
old schools.
Yeah, dude, why you teasing Chuukies, bro? Dude, you gotta watch your mouth.
I'm not teasing
No
them.
way, dude. He's right there laying down. Pat, dude, you had one
I'm
job.
twisting them.
Sorry, dude.
Fucking shaky. What the fuck was that?
Hey, Wallan.
Cheese right there. Hey,
Wallan,
puta, dude.
bitch.
Dude, you know the fucking Chuukies, bro.
You guys are fucking sharks, he said it wrong.
Walankiesum. The fuck is Walankiesum?
Wallan,
Damn,
bro,
that's
it's
a
not that
nice
hard.
gun, bro. Fuck.
Hey, boy,
Not
forget
Hey,
the
what's it? What's it?
Gamma.
Another?
Just kill him.
Yeah,
Who you cussing out, bro? We're in the same team.
Because you. Yo, look at this fucking Five Nights at Freddy's with this bitch ass.
Hey,
You saw your body laid
body,
out.
bro.
You
I
saw
don't
your
watch my
body
fucking
laid out.
iPad, bro.
That's why you don't use the
Saw you
camera,
for that
bro.
shit.
Trying to watch my iPad, bro. Leave me the fuck alone.
You need to fuck alone.
Trying to
The
be
Cocomelon.
Let the cook.
Imagine a Chuukies Cocomelon, dude.
Dude, fuck you,
That's
dog.
racist, bro. That's fucking that gotta be racist, bro.
Do you see
that
that?
That shit had to do with how you said that shit. Lie.
Do you see the
Walanki.
That's the only song I like.
Ran no ran. Puido pui. Ese kubata yeki. Omka pui puido seri.
Okay, there's too much fucking minority singing going on, bro.
Ariametoa.
Dude, you need to relax there, buddy, bro.
You don't know me
I
like
can't
that,
understand you, bro. I don't like it, bro.
Let's manage
no. You know what, bro?
That's
No,
crazy.
I didn't make it.
1v1,
I didn't
bro.
see.
Get the
There was
plus
a guy on
now.
the left side.
Bro, you knew exactly where I was, you fucking Micronesian, bro. Oh, I hate Micronesians, dog, like real for real.
Bro, you were just singing their
I know
song.
what you're gonna love. My finish. Shia.
Hey, no. Kosrae and Killa. Bro, go look at the Palawan version. It's fucking better than the Chuukies one, bro.
Fuck
Oh,
no,
yeah,
bro.
for real?
The Filipino version is better, bro.
The Palawan version, dog. The Kiribati,
Alright,
Who the fuck wanna listen to this?
version.
I like the Chuuk. It's pretty nice, though.
No, listen to the Palawan's better, trust. I
Damn,
promise.
you don't like the Chuukies at all, bro.
Yeah, save you guys' life, bro.
No, I like it. It's just that Palawan's one's better.
Alright, I'm gonna
Trust,
check it out for sure. I'm
Just
Highlander
type in
for life.
Palawan version.
Oh,
Oh shit, almost kill you.
Yo, don't be scaring me, bro. You
Oh, shit, no, you didn't tell me.
wait.
No, you didn't tell me to find me.
I turned around, I saw you get popped.
No shit. You're supposed to kill him.
Last guy inside, please. Go in the room.
Hey, Kosrae, fire to be. Fire to be.
Come to B? What? What the fuck are you
Yeah,
telling me?
go to B. Hey, fucking. I don't know how to say
Hey,
go.
he's on the
I lost
left
the B
side,
side,
their
yeah.
spawn.
Oh, Randy. Randy, wee wee.
Fuck.
Mazak dog.
Randy.
What the f-
Oh, boy.
Hey, now you gotta
Rain,
sing
no
the song,
rain.
dude.
Guido Pui. Esse
Rain,
cubata
we
aqui.
don't
Can't be left in the sea. Can't be
Pilolo, man, pilolo. Oh shit, my bad.
Yeah, I was like,
DJ noise. To fuck DJ noise, bro.
dude, what? What the fuck you mean fuck
Como
DJ dude?
tata, koto.
What the fuck? Left side. Side. God, he's on the left, bro. You didn't see him?
2152, left side. Just the right side, bro.
Oh, you fucking what?
You fucking suck!
Damn.
Bro, he turned. He fucking turned. What the fuck up?
How the fuck is this
Going all the way top.
Turn.
I'm pissed off.
Hey, Socha, you wanna be Socha? You like Socha?
I'm only losing because I got fucking Islanders on my team. Bro.
That's why you losing, bro. You fucked up.
You're a fucking cunt, bro.
Oh my god. Needle airplane.
Yes.
Oh shit.
Damn, Chief.
You know I saved his life, you saw that.
Laying down in the grass to your left. Bro.
Is that? That is a body, what the fuck? He's above you.
Laying down on the right side of the
My
plane.
bad.
Oh, you fucking dude, I shot the mash.
My teammates are ass, bro.
Bro, shut your fucking mouth, bro.
Damn, bro.
What about his
Hey.
leg? Not gonna set it up.
Get the fuck up, pothead. I'll smack the shit out your bald ass head.
If, wapa.
Corrompi.
Skip the guy on top, bro.
Slap the ball with
Masazo.
it, bro.
Bitch.
Yeah.
Bitch.
Just get the other guy at top, by top lane. Straight lane. Oh, he's pushing backside here, spawn.
Oh, he's back outplane, the mid outplane, two of them. Two of them mid outplane.
I got stuck. My fucking fat ass couldn't fit to the goddamn door.
Like you.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Set up security around the objective. Enemy planted at Alpha. Be advised, enemy bomb is still active. Move to defuse. Site still hot. Move fast. All operatives on defuse. Round secure. On to the next.
Oh my god.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Keep the enemy off the objective. Friendly mosquito deployed. Won that round. Get ready for the next one. target and level it. Friendly care package on the way.
They're playing middle.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Move in and detonate the target. Secure the device.
See the movement guard on, see if he has it.
This guy don't have shit but AIDS, bro. They saw you open it, bro. There, aren't you? Dude, bro, did you get fucking, did your dad touch you in that room or what? Why you like that room?
It's the only room where I feel safe.
The little small
Being a
fucking room.
bitch, bro.
Push is 1-2.
Yeah, dude, fucking be a man, bro. Bang, 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 bang. Ah!
What the fuck?
Wow! Talking all that shit, bro. Just to get fucked.
Hey, I'm still better than you bitches. Fuck off.
That don't matter for shit, bro. We
How the
still
fuck
lost.
did I
Shut up,
get
chief.
12 kills?
I still
Because
I'm
you're
still
a
better than
bitch.
you guys. Still better than you guys. I'm still better than the enemy team. They're fucking doo-doo.
How come we lost?
Nah,
Because,
you
I'm
get 12
lacking.
kills.
Full team, wow, finally.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, you can
Battle
tell
us! Battle us!
Man, that song's stuck on my forehead.
Hey bro, you know what's a good song you should search up right now?
No, don't listen to any of his songs, bro.
Custom?
Don't listen to his songs.
Okay, search it up and play it into this. Turkish Donuts.
Oh, okay, play that for real, yeah.
You know that song now?
Please, can
Why
you
would I
play
be the
that?
one to know that song? Not even Chuukies.
I played it before.
Who my dances? Sing again. We gon' be
Allah.
Wait in the water!
Some howling motherfucker in the corner.
That's the one blank guy, bro.
That one
What the fuck? Dude, that shit, I was on Twitter, that shit caught me off guard, bro. What the fuck? No, he's singing an Islander song, oh, he's wade in the water. What the fuck? Oh, dude, that is fucking golden, bro. What the fuck? I was on Twitter, my eyes went wide, bro. Like, what the fuck? That was fucking perfect timing, bro. Perfect timing.
Oh yeah? I heard that too.
Yeah, they sugar daddy dude. What is that? Did he suck your chili? What is that? Bitch! Feel like woods, bro. You can't kill me.
You're talking that shit, bitch. I wanted to play the game too.
Ew, line.
Ewalan.
Fuckers. The fuck up.
Bro, the fuck you doing? I'm not even gonna play with you then. Fucking pussy. Alright, bro. Just to play with the boys, bro. So fucking him.
The fuck?
Fucking uninstall that bitch. No, fuck you too then.
No, leave it on, dude.
Mike, bro.
Sorry.
No.
Sorry.
Hey,
Sit down, sorry.
Let's get bottom corner.
And fuck off then.
Long, to the left.
You gotta show me you're sorry, bro. Show me you're sorry.
How am I supposed to do
Damn,
that?
Chuuk, how'd you lose that, bro? Fucking dog shit.